Welcome to Chef Style YouTube channel. Today I am going to make coriander tea. First we need 50 gram of coriander, then add little pieces ginger. Make sure low heat, if not our coriander seeds are burned. After few minutes, need to add 2 cups of water. Make sure all is low heat. Now 3 tablespoons bee honey. Keep boiling 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we are going to strain. Our tea is now ready. If you like, you can try at home. Very healthy drink. You are still new here, subscribe my channel. See you next video.